My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Tgpo. This Tgpo is the ransomware that specifically belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video, however, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open all your files without any troubles or complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware called Tgpo may be easily injected into the computer. So very soon after users restart their computers, they suddenly realize the damaging effect of this ransomware. This ransomware encrypts files and appends a special Tgpo extension to the file names, and because of that it is not possible to use the files anymore. So very soon you will notice how this ransomware damages the files. Then the ransomware basically tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So you can now see the results of the ransomware attack. This ransomware appends this Tgpo extension, and it is not possible to use the files anymore indeed. But you must not pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay it, you may simply waste your money. I recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then as soon as it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. So click on this Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature. This feature works very well when it comes to identifying this ransomware and removing this ransomware and protecting the data from the ransomware. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would help you to decrypt files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. So consider upgrading to premium license, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware. And you may always request for a free trial, by the way. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.